Welcome to Transcend Money Community. My name is Tony, and today's video we're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. That Solana is super hot. As you know, we are $200 already in Solana. Also, we're going to use the website from Transcend Money Community, transcend.money, and here we're going to analyze the biggest limit orders in the books of Binance in futures. So let's start step by step, and let's see how is the market, because as we were talking about in the Spanish channel yesterday, we have a lot of economical news that are critical this week, especially Wednesday. For that reason, I was saying get ready, because this Wednesday we have the Fed interest rate decision that seems nothing is going to change, but it depends if they are positive or negative. They can change totally the markets, right? So in yesterday's, let me see if I have all the audio and video correct. The audio is good and the video too. I don't know if there is someone in the streaming, seems not, but we grow in the channel step by step. Hopefully one day we're gonna have a big channel also in English, and I can practice, right? So here we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana $200, and let's go directly for the order book. And we can see that yesterday we were talking about different strategies for this week, and I know that the video is a little bit strange because I'm floating here in the right side or left side, it depends how you see it, and it's because yesterday you mentioned in the Spanish channel that if I put in the bottom left side, then you cannot see the charts well, so I'm gonna try this one. Yesterday we had this resistance, and look how intense, how precise is the order book with the Transcend Money website, that practically to the dollar we went there, and the price was like 69, I think 30, something like that, and we peak at 68,956. So let's see today what we have, because we have some news. And the first one is that in the pro version of the website, if you want to go to the pro version, you can go here in profile. We have here the percentage to the price now, right? So we have all the orders that are in the Binance futures right now in Bitcoin, all of them. Then we have the top ones, since we opened this website, is $4.3 million at 66,750. And then we have the sellers, the ask and the bids, right? So we have the price, the quantity in the coin, that in this case is Bitcoin, and here we have the dollars, and here we have the percentage to the current price in Binance futures, right? In fact, it's from the last trade, this one. Okay, so now everyone is like, oh, Bitcoin is gonna go down, it's gonna keep the price or crash. And look, today we have the Standard & Poor's opening almost all-time high again. Unbelievable. What a times to live. We're making history. So what a spike. Amazing. Almost all-time high. And Nasdaq, not almost all-time high, but quite high, open also. So let's see the following hours, but we keep pushing here, trying to break the all-time high. And I think one factor to have in account is like the inflation is gonna be here. I don't think it's gonna disappear because all the printing that already happened. But we are not going to go to details of the fiat currency. We are going to focus on the crypto markets, right? That is, in my opinion, the future. So we're gonna start with the easy one, that is gonna be the resistance. Normally, you know that I like at least 200 Bitcoins to filter the orders, and we can see the top two orders in the order book of Binance is 29 million and 21 million at 66, 76 and 75. So we keep this price that we had yesterday. That means this is gonna be the maximum we expect. I'm gonna move a little bit the lines because I think they are overextended. Yesterday I extended too much. So we're gonna go something like this. And you know that I'm planning in the website of Transcend Money at the end to do all these support resistance based on the biggest orders in Binance Futures in the charts, right? But right now just we're doing test, and soon I hope you will have this automated. And also, as you know, the main page, you can go to any coin and then you will have here the trades and the order book. Okay, so I think we are okay with the audio and video. Yes, fantastic. I'm gonna see if somebody joined. Seems not. Ah, yeah, we have somebody here. Fantastic, thank you very much. Welcome. So let's see. We have the 76 in this point. Fantastic. And we're gonna make a resistance. And we have here 382 bitcoins, $29 million at a distance of the current price. This is a spot and we are with futures, but more or less 30%, 30.8% from the current price. The next biggest, and yesterday we didn't had 75, meaning that some people expect that this range can come soon. And the rest is 179, so I don't consider that one. So there are a chance that we can go up 30%. Can you imagine that we're going up 30% to 70, 75, 76? That will be unbelievable. The question is, the price is gonna need liquidity first, so we need to correct a little bit or not, because as you can see, there is a lot of money in the order book Binance Futures to buy bitcoins. A lot. So we have 780, so like 50 million, 40 million, 30 million, 20 million dollars in these specific prices. This one, I don't know if I'm gonna change, but the M means is 0.4%, right? So there is a big order right now to keep the price at 66,500, 0.4% from the price. That is another thing that I would like to talk, because I'm thinking about start with the strategies, simulated strategies, and very soon trade algorithmically or quantitative, or however you want to call it, like a trading robot, with different strategies based on the order book. So for example, this one will be good maybe to enter 66,500 and check immediately what's going to happen there. But okay, let's start with the 62, that is the biggest one, 62,000. And let's see, yesterday was a little bit bigger. Let me correct a little, shorten these lines also. And because this is going to help us just for tomorrow. Look here how intense was yesterday for this range that we're gonna check today if change a little bit or not. This range is 60,000. And also I'm gonna show you my trades right now. As you know, I have Solana is blowing up 723%, almost $10,000 with $1,000. Bitcoin 363% gains, almost $8,000 with $2,000. And the little short, small short, we did 125% in profits, $600 with $500. And we're gonna check later where I'm planning to put all my stop loss, take profit, etc. Okay, as you know, this is MEXC. Is my favorite exchange right now, and if you want to join, just you have to go to the description down below and you have the link for MEXC, $10,000 in rewards and not KYC. So in 10 seconds you can open an account with Google, Telegram, MetaMask, etc. Well, keep going. Let's go for the 62. 62 is amazing. I'm starting to feel more relaxed now with speaking English. 62 is around here, right? So at 62 we have this support that is 700, pardon, almost 800 bitcoins, $50 million. This one, as you can see, is a drop or discount of Bitcoin of 7%. That could be another strategy that I'm considering, right? So the first strategy will be like slow bot or robot that will place buying orders on the top first limit order in the order book, plus maybe 0.5% or 1%. Let's say instead of 62,000, 62,001 or something like this. Okay, so let's go for the next one, because as you know, my strategy is basically I'm bullish right now. So for me, the best strategy, the safest one, is to buy on the dips, right? Especially because, as you know, we were buying, at least in the Spanish channel, down below, very deep in the bear market, Bitcoin. So now we have a lot of profits, so we can we have the margin to have a correction of 10-20% without suffering so much, right? Just psychologically, because we are thinking that we can make more money. But for me, it's emotionally it's better to buy the dips and keep going with the price up. So ready to buy here, as you will see. I'm gonna prepare this because we're gonna see the orders in Bitcoin, and maybe I'm gonna change some. And then we have the 58,800. So all these lines, what is the meaning of these lines? For me, is buying grid, right? So share your quantities of investment between all these prices. And I will go something like proportional to the depth of the crash or correction. So 58,800 also we had yesterday. This is recurrent, is around here. You know, this is maybe slow strategy because the rotation of money is not so fast, it's not daily, but I think it's quite secure because you have a dip, so the probabilities of bounce is high. For the reason I have these profits in these trades, because they were buying the dip, right? Okay, so next one, this will be 11.9% drop. So that will be with more quantity, right? So we have another one just at 0.4% from the price, 66,500. 66,500 is basically on the price. So it's trying to make a support, and we can see in real time, in fact, already went out. It's already taken by the market. And the next one is gonna be 66,100. 66,100 at 1% of the price, $28 million. 66,100. This I would like to make the website that the website can tell us if they took out the order or was fulfilled with the tape, the orders and time, right? We are now like 65,000 trades and 2 million updates in the order book. Then we have the and this is 400 bitcoins. We're gonna do 3 pixels now, so a little bit thinner the line. 61,000 will be the next one. Let me see. Oh, we have people here. Thank you very much. Let me know in the comments down below which is your name, where are you from, how you find the channel. Are you coming from the Spanish channel? Maybe. 61 will be around here. Great. And this is gonna be $28 million, drop of 8%. Yes, 61. because this is near the support, right? So we have this support. Now let's go for the next one, and let's see if this 66,100 can handle the price, can make a bounce or not yet, because I see the RSI is not very oversold yet at 1 hour. Okay, next one is gonna be 63,500 with 400 bitcoins. 63,500. Here we go. And this one I'm gonna go for 2. Then we have 61,202. Also, these are the top 10s, right? 61,222. 61,222. Around here, 222. So, okay. So some people, they were saying like to sell Bitcoin or whatever crypto you have to take profit or advantage of the situation, right? That's another strategy, but for me it's more risky, especially if the Standard & Poor's and the Nasdaq keep going up. Of course, we have all the risk from the news, but in general, if we're talking about like 10% drop, I'm okay. So I can rebuy. I prefer to buy than sell right now in the bullish market, right? So 63 will be around here, and this is 338 bitcoins, $20 million. Okay, 63. So look how all this area is with orders, and we can see here 62 seems is the most important, is the first one. This is organized, sorted by USD value, but you can sort it by whatever you want. You can sort it by percentage or USDT or bitcoins or price, whatever you want. And then look this, because we have all the order book full with orders of more than 200 bitcoins. Maybe we're gonna do 20. We're gonna increase to 20 because 10 seems is not good enough. And when we have the chart, we can draw a lot of lines. So probably we will have a bottom that we can click, and then we'll see all the lines. So I don't have to spend time in the videos just drawing lines, right? It's good because in some way we are more aware of the prices, but yeah, I think automatically will be better. 60,000 will be around here. Perfect. And this 60,000 is 300 bitcoins, and then we have the 65. Oh, this is new. 60. I don't know. We had before yesterday. And then 59,500. 59,500 will be around here. Great. Okay. Yes. So basically today we have a lot of buys, a lot of purchase, and that means for me that is bullish. Of course, the price can go down this, like we said, the maximum now is like 12% down. But yeah, I think it's the best strategy. So just right now what I'm thinking is where I'm gonna place my orders, because right now I have 62. I'm gonna keep the $62,000, 59,500. This one maybe is not so interesting. 1,000 because it's 266. 53,000 will be the next one. This is deeper. That is the next support. It's not yet in the order book, at least the 10 first orders, but I think that can be even better place to buy right here. So I'm bullish, I'm buying, I'm not selling. Even sometimes it's like, shit, I could make some profits, but you see, for example, in these spikes, what we how we make money in these spikes? Entering long, entering long, entering long, entering long, here also long, here also long. So and we have bounces, right? So here was not so spectacular, but was 7%, and here we had 5%, and this was in a couple of days. No, this was 1 day, right? From yesterday, 1 day more or less, and this 2 days. Yeah, so that's what I want to do with the web app from Transcend Money, that the web can do automatically trades all day long based on the order book. I think we can find some strategy more or less reliable and profitable in the order book. So we have 3 people. I'm very curious. Who are you? Let me know in the comments, in the chat. Don't be shy. Okay, and so this will be for the price of Bitcoin. I think I'm gonna keep all of them. 59,500 and 62,000. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna keep these prices. Then let's go for Ethereum. Also, I want to check which is the volume in the recent hours, last 24 hours. 20 million for Bitcoin, $20 billion, and 4.6 million trades, so not so much volume. And for Ethereum, 8.8 billion and 4.4 million trades. And look, Solana. Solana is $201, 4% up today, with $7.5 billion. So it's getting very close to the volume of Ethereum. That's fascinating to me because it's growing very fast. Compare with BNB, Binance Smart Chain, 1.4 billion. So the volume is huge in Solana. And yeah, I think after tomorrow they have an event. It's called Solana Coffee House at California. I think it's Silicon Valley, right? And so I think Solana is a good opportunity. Let's see what's gonna happen, because I think can grow a lot, because the market cap is small compared with Ethereum, right? We have Ethereum market cap $420 billion and Solana is 89 billion. So can you imagine 4x for Solana? Some people is saying Ethereum $20,000 for this bull run and Solana $2,000. That will be unbelievable. Unbelievable. I think it's gonna be quite hard, but for sure we're gonna have a nice pump. So let me check Solana first. How many people here like Solana? Let me see. We have 3. Kairos. Hello, hello, Kairos. Thank you very much to coming in this English channel. And so Solana, let's go for Solana, because Solana is quite hot token. And also I would like to prepare Ethereum. Okay, let's see Solana, because we have to wait still a little bit to load a lot of orders, but probably in the pro version, I hope next month is gonna be automatically load from the Transcend Money servers, so it's gonna be faster because we'll have the history, and we have the 190 quite bullish, and resistance, let's see, it's still too early. For the Ethereum price, what do we have? Yes, we have support here again. So we can start with Ethereum. Now I can see a lot of support. We have 2000s, 4, 4, 5. So Solana, Ethereum seems that has a good support right now. Let's check, compare with yesterday. And then we'll do Solana. Let's see. And we have 37, eh? 37,000 in Ethereum. That could be unbelievable if we have this pump. How much that will be in percentage? 5% pump. Compare with the 10% pump that we have in Bitcoin. We have another, now we have a big resistance at 68,500. Before we had the top two 66 and 75, sorry. And now we have resistance for Bitcoin price. Let's see, because the Nasdaq and Standard & Poor's, since they're keeping up, previous to a lot of news. Let me put my time to see when. I think I have 5, right? Or 7 is 7. We have categories and impact. Sorry, this is the one. 10 a.m. Okay, so still some time. But this week is gonna be intense. This is for sure. So let's go back at Ethereum, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orders already in the order book that they are powerful. But let's go for the most intense first, and we have 32, correct? So 32,000. That's quite a strong. 5,000 Ethereum, $17.8 million drop of 9%. That could be an interesting one. I'm gonna do the top 3, and let's see if next week we can have already the chart automatically with the resistance and supports, because if not, I'm gonna spend too much time. So I'm gonna do an overview. 34,000 will be, which one is 34? That one is 4,000. 4,000 Ethereum is not bad, eh? It's medium, I would say 3 pixels. And then we have 3150. 3150 here. This is with 4,000 also. Unbelievable. This is a lot. We have a change. 30. The biggest one as yesterday is 3086. 3086 is the biggest one. That probably I have here my entry, right? From Ethereum, let's see. Ethereum and positions 34 and 31 and 30. 30 we have one, and how much money? $3,000 at 30. 2987.5 in fact. 3150 we have in 4th position right now. And the 34 with $500. Okay, so I'm gonna keep these ones also. And then let's go for Solana, and let's see what do we have in Solana. That Solana is still unbelievable powerful. Unbelievable. And we have 200 upgrades, so it's 175 is the stronger one with 27,000. That is the same yesterday. Oh no, be careful now, Solana. Now there are 4.7 millions that they expect 30%, 13% drop. Very careful. So 175, in fact, is from yesterday, but to 27,000. Okay, so this one was a resistance. So again, something happened here, and is too long, these lines, I think. This should be here. This was from yesterday. So Solana broke the resistance and was a medium resistance. So now we have 175.
that still support, and this time no, I'm gonna go for 2 pixels, and then we have 190 is gonna be around here, 190 with 2000. That's it. That's the supports we have, because the rest are less than 20,000 Solanas. So then the resistances are $209. Oh my god, this is going higher. 209 is around here, right? 0.6. Here we are. Around, oh my god, this is so difficult. 209 will be so nice when we have the automatic resistance and supports on the web app of Transcend Money. Okay, so next one is gonna be 220. That probably is this one. No, 226, 220. So this is gonna be interesting. Wait a second. How is possible we reach already 210? Seems like that. We reach 29.4, and they put 29.6. Interesting. Okay, so very good. That means that 190, 175. I don't think I have. Ah, yeah, I have 175, $300. Okay, and then 140. Yeah, there is one with 20,000 now. Okay, 115 is not here. This is a O1. Is my average enterprise 116. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this. You know, if you want to join to Mexi and open an account and trade without KYC, you can use crypto. You have here the link, up to $10,000 in rewards, and without KYC. So I think we're gonna leave it here. Today I'm totally exhausted because I decided not to drink coffee, and it's brutal how your body. I'm drinking coffee at least one every day, and one day without coffee is unbelievable. It's like already quite intense. But let's see if I can handle 1 week or not. And so these are the positions, and then I want to start with a website to simulate the strategies. First, I think what we'll do is like we'll have the chart with the supports and resistance from the top 10, maybe with or without filter, I don't know. We'll experiment a little bit. So we have the historical, like here we had something like that, but probably it's gonna be with more precision. At the beginning, probably we'll do every 12 hours, and then we'll start to shorten the time frame, because we already are quite a lot of people in the Transcend Money website. So I want to start to increase the load on the server little by little, and you know that we start to differentiate with pro version or basic version. If you have the pro version, you will have the charts and the strategies and the automate strategies also. And now there's this new thing that is the percentage to the price, okay? And that probably this parameter is gonna be one that is gonna lead the strategy, right? Because as deeper is this can be the parameter that decide how much quantity or how important is that support or resistance, right? Yes, so I think that's all. And little by little, I think every Monday we will do the videos in English, but if you want, also we have a channel that is called Transcend Money, and that's in Spanish, and this one is Transcend Money in English, right? So thank you very much to all the viewers. It's very beautiful also to start a new channel, because then you remember the first people that was watching your channel, and little by little is growing, right? Hopefully with this bull run it's gonna grow fast. So thank you very much to everyone. Has a very good luck with your positions. Health, love and fortune for all of you, and see you in the next video.